Over 4 years ago, a powerful earthquake devastated Port-au-Prince, the overcrowded capital of Haiti. Years of massive rural to urban migration, combined with inadequate housing standards, contributed to hundreds of thousands of deaths and billions of dollars in damages. In addition to providing immediate relief, Mennonite Central Committee has responded by allocating over half of the $16 million raised to projects outside of the capital. These investments in housing, education, potable water, and agriculture allow people in the countryside to have the resources to remain in their communities without having to seek opportunities in Port-au-Prince. MCC's long-term response is not to rebuild Port-au-Prince as it was, but rather help build the country as it should be. These are just a few of the projects. Near the town of Cabaret, 24 miles from Port-au-Prince, MCC and local partner, the Christian Center for Integrated Development, constructed houses for 100 families who were living under tents after the earthquake destroyed their homes. Leonarde Georges, who lost her husband in the earthquake, says her family finally has some refuge.
Oui, malaise. Malaise, la pi ap tombe, m'de kon ap mouye, kouli an ba mouye. Ti moun yo gen chanm yo, mwen gen chanm pam.
The project also included a community school, a health clinic, an open-air market, and a park.
Men place sa li vraiment important, ti moun yo al jwe, surtout epok les vacances, ti moun yo jwen terrain football yo jwe.
In addition to constructing and repairing homes, MCC has been actively advocating for the enforcement of housing rights and denouncing the continued forced evictions of over 100,000 Haitian citizens still living under tents. Access to quality post-secondary education in rural areas is rare, which led many youth to seek educational opportunities in Port-au-Prince. Since the earthquake, MCC has supported a local partner, the Solidarity and Action Group in the small town of Desarmes, 62 miles from Port-au-Prince, to restart a rural vocational school, providing degrees in agriculture, masonry, plumbing, electricity, and business management.
Li bay possibilité pour jeunes yo venir étudier la caille yo, yo pas besoin de déplacer, aller Port-au-Prince ça gen moyen yo une école là sur place pour étudier et yo gen possibilité tout pour yo appuyer développement local là tout. Et éducation à travers le monde, c'est lui même qui potomitan développement. C'est le moment développement société à tout.
The partner also runs a community construction supply store and an agricultural processing facility, which generate monthly profits that help to cover the operating costs of the school. Also in Desarmes, MCC renovated, reorganized, and extended the local water system to ensure equitable access for over 12,000 people. Through the construction of a new reservoir, new piping, and 36 public fountains, the total amount of potable water has doubled. More importantly, the water is now shared equally between communities. Households that had previously fetched their water from nearby rivers or irrigation canals now have hundreds of gallons of potable water coming directly into their homes every day that can be used for drinking, cooking, washing clothes, showering, and even watering gardens. With so much water now coming to his house, Gilles Enoch didn't have enough containers to store the water, so he built a small reservoir.
Chaque jour, de l'eau a yo konnen laguer le matin, et puis dans mi-temps journée a yo couper l'après-midi encore. C'est ça qui fait bassin ça pas jamais manquer de l'eau. Nous jouons de l'eau consécutivement. Moi passer le côté me planter maïa seulement et nous t'ai planté environ 4 godets pour là-dedans et nous récolter 15 marmites pour là-dedans.
To stem the tide of struggling farmers moving to overcrowded city centers, MCC partnered with the organization Partnership for Local Development to provide training to over 3,000 farmers, the creation of 9 seed banks, as well as institutional support for farm organizations, credit unions, and women's groups. Contav Jean-Baptiste, coordinator of the Partnership for Local Development, says responding to the earthquake must involve the support of small-scale farmers.
Réalité c'est que jodi et un pile moun a cherché quitter milieu rural là pour venir la ville. Et gen moun l'on regarde des conditions moun a vivre dans ville yo et dans Port-au-Prince. Gen des conditions sales, misère que moun a vivre dans ville yo. Plutôt moun sa a vivre plus bien, gen une vie qui pi propre, qui pi sain dans milieu rural là.
On the national level, MCC supported the organization Support Local Production in its multimedia campaign to revitalize traditional foods and diversify diets for the health of Haiti's citizens and its land.
Après tremblement de terre, te gagné une mentalité bon côté moun yo côté yo te penser que c'est tout pays qui fini, écrasé net, mais yo pas te ouais c'est kay qui écrasé jardin pas écrasé.
Most recently, Support Local Production mobilized over 1 million Haitians to carry a 1,000-pound mahogany tree throughout the entire country to symbolize the strength and autonomy of the Haitian people.
Nous capables dire jodi a nation paré n'importe grande ligne d'idées que nous porter n'importe thématique que nous besoin développer population paré parce que yo prouvé que c'est l'idée que pas joindre avec l'idée nous pouvons que depuis un bon l'idée et l'idée pays a changé.
There is a Haitian proverb that says, "Once you plant, God owes you," meaning that we as humans must begin the hard work ahead for God to provide us with the harvest. In response to the earthquake, Mennonite Central Committee, through its local partners, are planting seeds of development for a harvest to be shared across the whole country.